Evans with the corner near post. Hansen with the header. Back out to what? Evans now on the left, right hand side. Flicks on towards the back post. O'Connor! Bradford City have the lead. 42 minutes gone. And the flick on from a Grimsby player straight into the path of Anthony O'Connor. He gets his third goal of the season. Deadlock broken with 3 minutes to go of this first half. Bradford City 1, Grimsby Town 0.
That was an excellent finish from Anthony O'Connor. Ball came in and he just guided it so nonchalantly past the goalkeeper. A side foot finish into the bottom corner of the net. A fantastic finish from Anthony O'Connor. A striker's instinct from a defender. To come and receive this card.
Incredible. We're all watching in anticipation to see what happens here. Everyone in the stadium. Remarkable. Unbelievable. The red card is still out and it's been given. The red card has been given. Now we can assume that it's Stephen Payne who has been sent off. O'Connor sends the ball forward, Crackshaw underneath it, Crackshaw challenging, and the referee's whistle blows. Full time here at Valley Parade. Bradford City 1, Grimsby Town 0. Another crucial, vital 3 points in the Bantams bid to keep the playoff hopes alive. It is a result that sees them cut the deficit between themselves and the playoff places to just 3 points now, following Newport County's 1-1 draw with Mansfield last night. They're up to 11th in the table. They've